Hi, I'm Ankita Jain, Immigration Specialist and Client Service Manager at Visa Venue Private Limited. Today I'm here to talk about some key parameters about the Express Entry System for Canada. Express Entry System is a federal immigration system of Canada wherein Canadian government every year pulls aspirant workers overseas to live and work in their country. Express Entry System is a point-based system which is based on the comprehensive ranking system. The CRS selects the skilled workers from overseas based on key parameters like age, education, work experience, IELTS, etc. As an Express Entry applicant, you get points for all these factors which makes your total score, which is called the CRS score. Therefore, higher the score, better are your chances to get a faster invite. Now, to succeed in the Express Entry system, you must look at the higher CRS score to get a faster invite from the Canadian government. So let me here talk about few most important parameters about the Express Entry system and the key points associated with it. So now let me talk about first parameter, which is age. Canadian government gives maximum benefit to people falling within the slab of 18 to 35 years of age. However, people beyond that can apply as well, but people between 18 to 35 years of age gets maximum benefit in terms of points. Number 2 parameter is education. The next thing to focus is qualification. You get maximum CRS points if you have done a master's degree or a PhD. Next key point to focus is your language skills. You need to obtain minimum of 6 bands in each, which is a CLB 7 to qualify for the Express Entry. However, people with CLB 8, which is 6.5 in reading, writing and speaking and 7.5 in listening gets better score. But people with CLB 9, which is 7 in reading, writing and speaking and 8 in listening wins the jackpot. Work experience is another key thing to focus here. Anyone having at least 3 years of working experience qualifies wonderfully to apply for Express Entry system to attain maximum CRS score, subject to you qualifying on the 67 point based criteria. Friends, you don't have to worry if you have a low CRS ranking. We have another channel to work on, which is the state nomination. If your profile is falling in any of the states and you qualify for the same, we can certainly apply your case for the provincial nomination and claim 600 bonus points to enhance the CRS ranking. So what are you waiting for? Just write to us at info@visasavenue.com or simply call us to check your eligibility. Thank you.